Hello, this is Dustin with Home Mender, and today we're going to be doing an easy one. We got a door in the hall here, kind of dragging the ground. We're going to need to cut a little bit off. Super annoying, and people just leave it because, well, they think it's too hard to do. I'm going to show you how. Let's get to it. First, hammer and screwdriver, we're going to take the hinge pins out. Well, this one has a closer on it. I could probably just lift it out. You can put your screwdriver on the bottom and send the pin up through the hinge. Now when my door was shut, I had about a 1/4 inch play on the bottom. That's plenty of clearance for a door to shut. But I had a rise in the floor, so I'm only going to shave off just a smidge, like a 1/4 inch. But if you just had carpet installed or something like that and it's dragging pretty good, I would start with a 1/4 inch and work my way up. Quarter, straight edge. Now with a nice sharp blade, you could cut right through. Looking nice. Reset the hinges. Give it a test. Not brushing the floor anymore. Got about a 1/2 inch off the bottom, and it is looking awesome. So that's it. You just rock that door cutoff. Not as hard as you would think. Pull the hinge pins, cut the door, put the hinge pins back on, and done. Now when your wife gets home, she's gonna be proud because that door doesn't drag anymore and you don't have to tell her how easy it was. That'll be our little secret. So for Home Mender Inc., this is Dustin. I hope you learned something today, and if you did, don't forget to click subscribe. Thanks for watching.